Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit, crop, scale images using the WordPress default editor. So to do this you must be logged in your WordPress website, and you head over to the library, which is under the image folder via the dashboard. And then by selecting library, you have this kind of interface where it shows all the images you have uploaded in your WordPress backend. So I'll just select the first image here that I want to use as a demo, and when you select the image you have this option, edit image. So you select the edit image and it brings you to this other pop-up window that WordPress gives you, and on the side it gives you the right dimensions of that image, and at the same time it gives you the options to scale down that image, and at the same time you can crop that image. On the other hand, you can crop the image using the cropping tool. You can also rotate the image and do a couple of things. So let's start with trying to do some edits. We are going to scale down this image to 500 pixels in the width. So we just type in 500, then we select scale. So WordPress will scale down this image to that image size you want. Let's say you want to use it in a blog post and you don't want to have a really big image, so you can always scale down your images to a smaller size. On the other hand, you may want to crop out some things. For example, I don't want these glasses to appear in this image, so I'll just select the crop tool, and then I can easily crop just by dragging from one of the edges, or I can just edit the photo, and then by just dragging on top of the photo you have the crop tool selected, and select the area that you want to appear in the photo. So by doing that you are cropping your image and you are only leaving the area that is highlighted is the area that will appear in the final photo. Once you are done with the area you want to appear in the final photo, you just select the crop tool. So by selecting the crop tool, you're actually commanding it to crop down the photo. So now we have the cropped version of our photo. Then we can save. But before we save, we want to rotate probably this picture, but I can just take you through how you can rotate. So by clicking on one of these boxes, they show you using, like, they have the arrows of the different rectangle, one turning to the left and one turning to the right. By following any of that, you can turn your picture to any of the sides you wish. However, now I just want it to stay as it was by clicking the undo. So we get back to where we are. Now we have our image. Once you're done with cropping your image and you have the final details of what you want to appear in the final image, you basically have to click on the save button. So once we have our resized or cropped image saved, we can now go and test out how it looks like on maybe a post or a page. So I'll create a new post, and then I'll just name it anything, test resize, and then within that post I'll just add a media. I go to the media library, and then I'll select the image that I want, and then I'll select the image I want, or our cropped image, and boom, this is it here. So our cropped image is here with no glasses. So guys, that's how you can edit, crop, resize images using the default WordPress editor. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.